in question 7, it is find a point on x-axis. X-axis पे point होना चाहिए which is equidistant from these two. Point on x-axis. If you will observe, on x-axis आपको कोई point निकालना है which is equidistant from these two. So x-axis पर आपका always the y value will be 0, isn't it? So question is find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from this. So since on x-axis y value will be 0, so what we can do it, आप इसके coordinates you can take it as a and 0 because the y value will be 0. So let this point as a, let a equal a0 and आपके पास ये दिया हुआ है b, we will assume it as 2 minus 5 and c as minus 2, 9. So these will be the coordinates. Now question is, according to the question, try to understand it. Find a point on x-axis. ये x-axis का point है. Okay, so its coordinate as a0 which is equidistant from point B and C. X-axis पे जो point है, this point is on x-axis. Okay, and this point is equidistant from these two. So we have taken these two naming as B and C. So equidistant है means equal distance पे है. तो हमें क्या what we have to take it? We have to use the distance formula, and in distance formula you have to take it according to question AB equal AC. AB equal AC. Okay, and here the coordinates of B as 2 minus 5 and coordinates of C as minus 2, 9. Now we will apply the formula, distance formula AB, x1 minus x2, a minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2, 0 plus 5 whole square. This is equals to AC, x2 minus x1. So a plus 2 whole square plus y minus y1, y2 minus y1. You will get this. Okay, now this square root and the square root will be cancelled out, and the leftover a minus 2 whole square, apply the formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, so minus 4a, and 5 square is 25. Same way here you will apply a square plus b square plus 2ab and plus 81. Like this you will write it. Now cancel it and shift the terms. This term you will shift it over here. So minus 4a equal 81 minus 25. So minus 8a equal, what it will be? Yours 56 plus 56, you will get it. Now a equal minus 56 upon 8. So you are getting a value as minus 7. And the question is find a point on x-axis. Therefore, the point on x-axis, a equal, this is a. So we will take a here, minus 7 and 0. So this is the coordinate or the point on x-axis. Same way it can be in the reverse also. Find a point on y-axis. Y-axis पे आप क्या coordinates लेंगे? On y-axis, the value of x will be 0. So how will you write the coordinate then? 0a, 0a, 0b, any alphabet you can take it. I think this question is clear to all of you. Question 8. In question 8, it is find the value of y for which PQ equal, the distance of PQ equal 10 and the P and Q coordinates are given here. So the distance between PQ equal 10. 10 is given, not 8, 10 is given. So we will use the distance formula. PQ is the distance. So the distance x2 minus x1 10 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal 10. Now squaring both sides. So it will be 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. Since you have to remove the square root sign, so squaring both sides, so it will become 100. Squaring both sides. Now solve it for the 64 a square plus b square plus 2ab equal 100. Now go for the plus 6y. Now 64 plus 9, 73 minus 100 equals 0. So y square plus 6y minus, what it should be? 27 equals 0. Now question is find the value of y. How will you find out the value of y now? कैसे निकालेंगे यहाँ पे y की वैल्यू? How will you? By splitting the middle term, factorize करके. So let's go for the y square plus minus 27. So minus 27 is 9 into 3, 9 minus 3y minus 27 equals 0. Y equal y plus 9 minus 3 y plus 9 equals 0. So it will be y minus 3 and y plus 9 equals 0. So this implies y equal 3 or y equal minus 9. Y equal 3 or y equal minus 9. So question is find the value of y. So these are the two values, either 3 or minus 9. Is it clear? Okay. Come to the ninth question. In ninth question, these questions are very important questions. All 7 from 10th question are very important question. Question 9 is Q is equidistant from these two. Find x value निकालनी है and then you have to find the distance of QR and PR. So first we will try to find out the value of x. Q is equidistant from P and R. This is same as this part. So Q is equidistant from P and R. So 5 minus 3 and this is x and 6. Equidistant है, equal distance पे है. So what we will do? It means QP equal QR. Okay. Now apply the distance formula. QP x2 minus x1 means minus 5 square. Minus 5 square is 25. I am writing it straight away now. 1 minus of minus 3 means 4 means 16 equal QR x2 minus x1 x square plus 1 minus 6 means minus 5 square, that is 25. Now squaring both sides, square root will be cancelled out. So it will be 41 equal x square plus 25. Shift it, 41 minus 25 equal x square. So it is 16 equal x square. So x value is plus minus 4. Plus minus 4. So how will you find out this x value? You are getting it as plus minus 4. अब आपको QR and PR distance निकालना है. So in first case you will take x as 4. x की जगह 4 रखेंगे and then you will find out the distance, and then you will take x as minus 4 and then you will find out its distance. Okay, instead of this. So QR and PR, I think you can find out yourself. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Still we have one more question left out. So we will take question number 10. Question is find the relation between x and y such that xy equidistant from these two. Xy. So we will take xy as point P and this is equidistant from these two. So let it be this xy, we have taken it as point B, this is A and this is B. So point P आपका equidistant है from A and B. Okay, so these two are equal. अब आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन x एंड y. Since there are two variables x and y, so we cannot able to find out the value of x, y. यहाँ पे रिलेशन निकालना है. Relation means you have to find one equation here. So let's go for the question. According to the question, PA equal PB. Okay. So equidistant. So again we will use the distance formula x2 minus x1, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal x2 minus x1, x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay. Now in next step you have to remove the root sign. By taking squaring on both sides, you can remove the root side. Now solve it further by using the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. Same way a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here also a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. ओके अब देखते हैं क्या क्या कैंसिल हो सकता है. दिस इज कैंसिल, कैंसिल एंड y square cancel. This will be cancelled out. So the left out minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y equals 6x plus 16 minus 8y. Now we will shift all the terms on one side. Shift this over here, so it will become 6x plus 6x minus 18y, and this also shifted 12y plus 16 and minus 36 equal 0. Solve for the 12x. Now minus 8y plus 12y, this is 4y minus 20 equal 0. This you will get it. अब what should be the next step? Tell me. क्या step होगा? You can take 4 common. So by taking 4 common and that 4 will be shifted over here, 0 upon 4. So it will become 0. So 3x plus y minus 5 equal 0. So look here. The equation or the relation between x and y is this. 3x plus y minus 5 equal 0. So this is the relation. As I have told it, we cannot find out the value of x and y. क्यों नहीं find out कर पाएंगे? Because we have only one linear equation here. If we will be having 2 linear equations, then only we can able to solve it further. So here also they have asked about the relation between x and y. Means you have to find out the equation here. So this is the equation. Now that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.